Assalamu alaikum, my dear students for artificial intelligence. How are you? Previous video, I given definition, introduction about artificial intelligence. Today, I want to share you about the next continuation. This is about xylolisms. The xylolism provide patterns for argument structure. Okay. So what is this argument structure? For example, Oman, beautiful country. If you are asking this question to the system, computer, what will be the answer? This what? So the same thing, always give the correct conclusions, give correct premises. For example, Socrates is a man. Man are mortal, therefore Socrates is a mortal. The mortal is a good person. So it is going to provide you about the law thought where the supposed to govern. So what is supposed to govern? Okay, this is what more important things. The operations of the mind. So what it is, syllogisms are going to be given in the artificial intelligence for you people about the mind of the person. So how it is going to be feeling, happy, sadness, sometimes angry, sometimes more happy than before. Okay, initiated the field of logic. For example, Brahm is an Indian. All Indians are hard worker. Therefore, Brahm is a hard worker. It's a conclusion. Okay, it is a pattern of argument. Salim is an Omani. All Omani are good people. Therefore, Salim is a good person or good people. So another argument structure like, for example, Fatima is a student or Salim is a student of artificial intelligence. All students are studying for midterm examination. Okay. So therefore, what is Salim? So these kind of questions. Okay. So this is very important. For example, the argument structure is more important. So whatever you stored, for example, we defined that all students in artificial intelligence are very good student, excellent student. However, Salim didn't study some of the portions in midterm. And what is the answer for the question? You already defined in the system, all students in artificial intelligence are excellent. That's why the system's finally going to say you about Salim also excellent, even though he is not studying, he's not studying only. Okay, so that's what thing with this parallelism. The application of artificial intelligence. So application of artificial intelligence are huge. More kind of applications in the world. Even recently, Oman Ministry of Higher Education has also implemented the artificial intelligence techniques for their evaluations of studying. So one of the important thing with game playing, machines can play against human and machines that they can play each other. So you have a YouTube video also for playing the football among two different teams in Singapore and other kind of countries. Speech recognition, identified by the computer who is speaking now. There's also another kind of application. Arabic can understand by the system. German can understand by the system. Japanese can identify by the system. Okay. Understanding any natural language. So for example, you know already India has multi languages. Nowhere in the world it has more languages. We can make artificial intelligence natural language understanding process. That means you can talk with the system using your own language, like you can speak in Tamil. So Tamil can be translated to Arabic, or Tamil can be translated to the English. So English can be understood by the system, or directly any natural language in the world can be easily understood by the system. Computer vision. Computer vision is a huge kind of applications like robotics and surveillance camera, detecting the faces, targeting any kind of humans. For example, you can fix in IoT. What is IoT? Internet of Things. Even if you want to know who is going in the Muscat airport, if you have access of the camera which is presented or which is fixed in the Muscat airport, from your mobile you can access. As you know already, Google Street has a complete view about the entire kind of the places. So same kind of concepts we can extend to the further. That is also one of the application of computer vision. So computer vision, you have a definition: perceives objects. The robotics, the perceives objects and move about them. How the robot can speak, the mechanical things like the movement of hand, movement of leg, movement of head, okay, those things. So the logistics, the traditional with artificial intelligence scope to build such a program to create intelligent system. Mean end analysis is one of the global positioning system for analyzing of mean end analysis. Just read to understand those things about in the artificial intelligence definitions. Next important thing for artificial intelligence is a expert system. What is the expert system? It's a set of artificial intelligence program. Those program act the system like expert. Who is the expert? The person is in the highest knowledgeable person in the world. That is, those people we call expert. Okay, the expert can apply any area of human expertise. So one of the example of this kind of expert system, Mycin. Mycin is diagnose blood infections. Diagnosis the blood infections. It is about 450 rules, protection rules. For example, I have a fever, I have a COVID-19, like that. Okay, how the test results will be coming up? What are the different rules going to be checked, and finally it is going to be say about the person against COVID-19. This is what a thing already they pre-programmed. So if they are taking the samples from the nose inside the saliva or sems, okay, so they have taken those things and they are going for DNA testing. Already they manufacturing the kit, that is we called PCR kit, okay, RT-PCR kit. This RT-PCR kit is going to be checking, and finally it is going to be say you are under the COVID-19, okay. So it has set of rules already, the programmed controller, it has so many things, and finally it will be going to say like a small device, okay. So the Mycin was able to perform as well as some experts and considerably better than junior doctor, like this Mycin, okay. Mycin incorporated a calculus of uncertainty and certainty factors which seemed to fit well, and how doctors assessed that impact evidences on the diagnosis. How the doctors are going to be treated, are going to be observe the patient before giving the medicine. The same kind of activities this expert system of Mycin is doing based on the 450 rules already given in our knowledge base. Okay. So what is artificial intelligence? We need a knowledge base, and it is the set of rules are going to be applied, and finally it is giving medicine for you. Okay. This is a Turing test. In the Turing test, what is important? So system can think, system can act intelligently. Yes, okay. Then finally, for major component of artificial intelligence. This is important for exam, midterm exam. Knowledge, reasoning, language understanding, learning. Whatever the humans are doing. What is artificial intelligence? Is a system to make as a human. Okay. So it's a subject to make as a human, act as a human, differentiate rationally. What we need knowledge, reasoning, why, what, how, those things. Then understand the basic natural languages, not a computer language, natural language. Then learning, because every day we are learning about new things. So what is this slide about you? Cognitive modeling, thinking humanly, thinking humanly. Who is thinking for you? Brain. That is very important. As you know already, artificial intelligence is a subject to study about how to make system like a human, how to make system act like a human, how to make system that act rationally. Okay. So we have predicting and testing behavior of human mind, human brain. That is we call top-down processing. Direct identification from neurological data. What is neurological data? Biological neuron. If you take the brain, the inside the brain, you have the complete neuron. Okay. So those neurons we can directly take and find the behavior of the human. For example, I want to make robot like brain. I want to make robot like Donald Trump. Possible? Yes, possible. I want to make a robot like a taxi driver. Possible? Yes. I want to make a robot to fish from the sea, fishing from the sea. Possible? Yes, possible. So what we need artificial intelligence programs based on the artificial intelligence algorithm, what we have already, and you have to prefix all the set of rules. That is more important, because you know how humans are activated. Humans are activated based on the rules. Every day morning, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, what you have to do, 10 o'clock, what we have to do. After that, it's the same thing. We are going to be fixed on the knowledge base. So what is important in this slide? In this slide, important, what are the two type of brain making? Internal activity of brain. First is predicting and testing behavior of human subject. Second one, direct identification from neurological data. Okay, bottom up, top down. Both approaches, roughly, cognitive science and cognitive neuroscience, are now distinct from artificial intelligence. What is next? Rational agent. What is an agent? Agent is nothing but robot. Here we call the agent is nothing but a robot. Artificial behavior doing right things. So any kind of rational behavior, artificial behaviors are doing right things. So human can do right things or wrong things. Sometimes humans are doing wrong things. Okay. But if you are making a robot, it should do all the things in right way. So the right things, that which is expected to maximize the goal achievement given the available information. Doesn't necessarily involving the thinking. Example, blinking reflex, but thinking should be in the service of rational action. Okay. So this is what more important thing. How to define this rational agent? What the agents are doing? The example question here, what is an agent? An agent is an entity that perceives. What is it perceives? To see something, to act something. For example, you make a system to cleaning the room. What system should do? See the floor. Any rubbish is there, any dirty things are there, any dust is there. After that, clean that one. So same thing. So for if you are writing exam, what you are doing, see the question, write the exam. See the question is called perceives. Write the exams are called act. Okay. So perceives and act. This goes about the designing the rational agents. Abstractly, an agent is a function from perspectives. For example, we called f. F is a function. Perceives or prospect, then give some action. For example, function, cooking. F is a cooking. Perceives, see all the vegetables, chicken. After that, what is action? Cooking. Cook. A is a cook. P is a see all the vegetables, chicken, other things, making biryani or lot of things like the function. For any certain class of environments and task seeks the agent with best performance. What is that we are expecting from the robot? Best performance. We know if you are cooking some items, which is the best? The taste. Okay, we need a best one based on the performance. Okay, the computational limitations make perfect and rationality unachievable. Design best program for a given missing resources. Okay, this is more important slide for midterm and final examination. These are all the prehistory of artificial intelligence. We have different kind of this philosophy, mathematics, economics, neuroscience, psychology, computer engineering, control theory, linguistics. So these are all the different combinations are needed to make artificial intelligence. This is a history of artificial intelligence. What is done before? It is not the new things. It started in 1943, but still live with more kind of actions. Still, it has more growth in artificial intelligence. Every day we need a new idea. Even all the mobile devices, now you have artificial intelligence techniques, face recognition, image processing, computer vision, then the monitoring of surveillance camera in everywhere is under the artificial intelligence. So the balancing of all the kind of activities, different kind of robot in the factories, artificial intelligence techniques. So these are all the sum of the state of art artificial intelligence techniques right now available. This is for your first assignment or homework for 10 marks. I am going to give you in the separate file also. So what you can do, you don't have a textbook with you. So I remove this textbook concept. You can search from Google, what is natural language processing? Okay, from internet. So I ask you to do in internet. Then what is the last date for submission? Last date for submission maybe 10/7/2020 is the last date for submission. Okay, this I will give separate file for you. You can make assignment 1 for 10 marks. What is this assignment? Examine AI literature. Literature means you can go to internet. Okay, AI in literature means it is in the internet. Okay, internet or YouTube or any video, no problem. Discover whether or not the following task can correctly be solved by the computer using artificial intelligence and justify your answer. Justify means you have to give the reason for the answer. Justify means give the reason for the reasons for your answer. Okay, give reasons for your answer. Okay, play a decent game of table tennis. You know table tennis. Already you know the table tennis. Okay. So you know already the table tennis. In the table tennis, two players can play small ball. Okay. It is already solved or not solved. You can search in the YouTube. If it is solved, what is the technique they have used? Playing football, you know football already. So two teams, Brazil and Argentina, can play. How robot can play each other? Okay. How agent can play. Driving car. Driving car is more important. For example, I want to share you about what is this? Another video about driving car. So driving car is a more important thing. Okay, I want to show you this one. I want to share you about here. Can you see the video? Can you see the video? I think just a minute. I will play this one. I don't know. You can, yeah. Now you can see the video. Okay. I start with video from here. Okay. So this is the autonomous taxi, the taxi without driver. Without driver. This is in the Dubai city, not now, in future. Okay. Artificial intelligence is mainly for the future idea. Okay. Now the people are sitting inside. They are surprising that no driver inside.
Where would you like to go?
No driver. Only the steering and GPS. And what is important, you see, the Google map is displaying on your mirror of the car is more important. Okay. So the people, they are choosing here. They want to start from here to where to go. Okay. So I want to where to go. Just click it. So system will take you. System will take you to that particular position. Okay. This is more important for you. This is more important about, you see, 2030, not now, after 10 years. After 10 years, 25% of Dubai's transportation will be autonomous. That means no driver will be, no drivers will not, will be available. Okay. So the drivers will be replaced and everything the system will be doing efficiently. Okay. So this is the main idea behind with our artificial intelligence. So next I like to share you, continue with the assignment. Okay. So next, playing chess. Playing chess. So playing chess is another important thing. How the system can play chess. Chess is a game playing. Discovering and proving new mathematical theorem. Writing funny story. System can write story or not. Human can write story. Human can tell story. Okay. Giving competent legal advice for the law, court. So based on this law, this will be given like that. translating spoken English into Omani language in real time, that is Arabic language, or different Omani language in the world. For example, Sur, they are speaking differently. Sohar, they are speaking differently. How the translations will be there is more important. Writing examination like students. Natural language processing. There you have to write introduction, review of literature, method, solution and conclusions from the internet. Last date 10/7/2020. Okay, 10 mark for you. Okay, I given more time for you. If you want short time, I will give short time, but this is a maximum time. Try to finish before. Okay, so don't postpone after that, because we have to finish all the grade before summer. Okay, before the 20th of July, we have to complete everything. Okay, okay, thank you very much, Sugran. Bye.